The three set of 10 commandments of driving. 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigue. 2. I will not pass without care on curves, not hills, not view and by my eyes. 3. I will not violate the speed law and not exceed speed limits.
Rodrigo.
4. I do not disobey highway sign and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my interventions. 7. I will not be careless where crossing at intersection. 8. I do not place my headlights and approaching. 9. I will not slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Number 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every drivers and pedestrians.
Go.
10 commandments of road safety from traveler. 1. Thou shalt not. The 10 commandments of road safety from traveler. 1. Thou shalt not offense of the phone.
Pizza.
2. Thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. 4. Thou shalt not take it any chance. 5. Thou shalt not buckle of the kids. 6. Thou shalt not drive not the right. 6. Thou shalt not drive and they bright. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with family light. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt not adhere to the speed limits. 9. Thou shalt not keep the distance. 10. Thou shalt practice of patience.
Go.
10 commandments of traffic from 1. Keep right. 2. Observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited pathway. 4. If do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule lining up the bus stop. 6. Rule to prevent or obstacle traffic trust. 7. Observe the traffic management measure. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver first come, first serve vehicle. 9. On pedestrian. 10. Remember the international driver safety reminders.